All right, I've come out to the garden this evening. It's that time of year where it's time to start harvesting your garlic. For me here anyways in Ontario, and probably most people. But what I do once I've harvested it, I bring it in the greenhouse here, let it sit for a few days just to dry out. And here's some of it. This has been in here for about 3 days now. I probably need to move it over to this spot here. It's kind of a gong show over here, just a pile up so it finishes drying. But it's looking good. Got some nice sized garlics this year. Nice good one there. Low average sized and some smaller ones like this. But I'm pretty happy with how they're looking. Some of them I just cut the full things off so they dry faster. But we got a bunch there. So this year I think I planted roughly about 1,000 garlic cloves to become bulbs this year. Each year I keep planting more and more so I can increase my yield, and it worked well. So this year has been kind of an odd year from us here. Previous years has been pretty dry, so when you harvest your garlic you just pull it out and it's already fairly dried because the soil's dry and you're not having to dry it as much somewhere. But this year it's been raining and raining and raining, which I'm not complaining about because I don't have to hand water the garden. It's a lot easier that way. But anyways, my friend, I was at his place yesterday and he had pulled his garlic and he weighed a pound of it out, and after it dried about 25%, so it was about 3/4 of a pound. That's how much it's drained, and the bulbs just swell up quite a bit. But anyways, I harvested this bed, and this bed I need to finish harvesting. I got a few there, and you can tell I missed some of the scapes. So they're growing their garlic bulbous there. But I've got these 3 beds here to go, the big ones, and then my other ones, new garlics I tried last year, which I should probably cut the scapes on those guys as well. And they need to be harvested as well. So I'm gonna cut the scapes quickly here, just get them off, and then we'll start the harvesting. You can tell they're still fairly wet here. It rained today a bit this morning, but it's okay. I'll keep coming down here, and I just give that a little bit of a quick scrub with my hand so I get most of the dirt off, so it helps speed up the process drying. There's so many weeds in here as well that I need to deal with once I get them done up. Okay, this bed is finished. On to the next one over here. Actually, I lied, I got a few more. And I don't know what's going on with these two, but they're extremely small. This one looks like it's the red stripe variety. Same with this one maybe, but that's all right. Okay, come down to this end here. We'll start pulling these. So I like to see bulbs that are at least, good handful. Makes it nice. And when you get the smaller bulbs, they're usually the ones that I will sell. I'll do like a pound bag. And they feel a lot bigger too with the mud on them. There we go, that's a nice one. Let's get that. There we have, show you one quick bed harvested there, and I need to go take these to the greenhouse and then hopefully try to get this next row done tonight. But the mosquitoes are starting to come out now and starting to become irritating. That means I won't be here too long. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed that quick little harvest. Like I said, 1,000 bulbs I have to get out today or this year, get them dried up, pick my seed for next year, and then sell the rest. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you out there. Happy gardening.